Watchdoc, your passport to better printing. Let's explore together this new printing method implemented within your organization. Print form your document as usual by clicking on File, Print. Then send your documents to the printer. Once you have sent your documents, you can go to the printer or copier of your choice and identify yourself. But how do you identify yourself? Simply enter your code, password, or use your badge, depending on what was chosen in advance by your company or community. Once the printer has recognized your profile, this screen will appear. If you have already sent your documents to the printer, you will immediately see your list of print jobs. You can check the details of each of your documents from this interface before you print them. You have the option to selecting one or more documents using the check mark located on the left. The arrow on the right lets you carry out a final check on your document. Use the magnifying glass to zoom in and read each page. And use the scissors to remove any pages you don't need. Once you have finished, click on the Print button to return to your print jobs. You can edit the initial print settings with the pen icon. For example, you can easily change a document from color to black and white, or from single to double-sided, and change the number of copies. On the right, you can instantly see the environmental and cost-saving impact of your choices. For more information, visit our documentation website, doc.docsons.com.